welcome to today's Feel Good Friday. Today we're going to practice grounding in our five senses. Join me as I look out in nature to ground in the five senses. I see the mountains, the fall leaves, the pond, the birds, and the cars driving by. I hear the wind, cars driving by, water splashing, and the branches swaying. I smell the fresh air, the pine trees, and my cup of tea. I feel the touch of cold wind against my face. I feel the touch of my feet firmly on the ground. I taste the sip of tea that I just had. Thank you for joining us on this Feel Good Friday. Check out more helpful videos on our YouTube website. Take care.